Hello guys, welcome to Mac Networks. Please subscribe to my channel as it helps to grow it. Plus you can watch more videos like these every week, so make sure you don't miss any one of them. The Cisco 3-tier hierarchical model. The Cisco 3-tier hierarchical model is a logical model and is used as a recommendation in designing new networks. The three tiers of Cisco 3-tier hierarchical model are core, distribution, and access layer. Core layer. As the name indicates, it is the core of the entire network. Any fault in the core may affect almost all of the users. The goal of the core is to transfer large amounts of data reliably and quickly. Therefore, any practice that clogs down the network should be avoided. Upgrades should be preferred over expansion. All of the processing stuff like bus path selection should be left for the distribution layer to handle. Distribution layer. All the network related policies like routing, access list, queuing, and WAN access is the responsibility of the distribution layer. When the best path is selected, the data may be forwarded to the core layer for faster transmission. Access layer. The access layer is also known as the desktop layer. Here all of the endpoints like servers and PCs exist.